I'm making a Mexican dish today.
Okay, so we are making guacamole.
This is the way you remove the seed from the avocado. You scoop the avocado out, turn a dish. I'm making with 3 avocado.
By the way, we'd like to thank Swat Ur, who lives in New Zealand now. We did call him yesterday to ask the secrets of this because he used to live in Cozumel and used to run bar, no-name bar with Tulay. So many greetings to Tulay as well. Of course, you already knew how to make this, but we just want to learn a little more secrets of this. That already looks delicious. Just squeeze the lemon and let's eat it. I'm hungry.
Well, you can maybe make a smoothie.
Okay, a little bit of olive oil. Yeah. 1 spoon of finely chopped onion. 1 spoon of cilantro, coriander.
I like a lot the avocado. I eat a lot, and it's very healthy for you.
Yeah, it's got the best oil for your body, yeah? Omega, they call it, I guess?
Yes, but you can make the same, like you can make without the cilantro. If you don't eat cilantro, put parsley. Onion,
tomato.
Tomato, you put how much you want. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of tomato.
Add a little more of that cilantro. Coriander.
I'm gonna put jalapeno, 1 teaspoon of jalapeno. I'm gonna put salt and pepper. I squeeze the lime, 1/2 of lime. Hi, I'm gonna make a Brazilian dish, and it's a Mexican dish too, a Latino dish. It's a pico de gallo, and in the Portuguese we call vinaigrette.
Okay.
We're gonna put tomato. I put 1 tomato, chopped tomato. I'm gonna put 1 onion. I'm gonna put some jalapeno. You don't need to put jalapeno, but we like spice food. Cilantro. I have some cilantro chopped. I'm gonna put some bell pepper. I'm gonna put olive oil. Salt and pepper. Garlic. You don't need to put garlic, but I like garlic in my food. I put some vinaigrette. Half lemon juice, but this is my way to make this recipe. You don't need to put lemon juice. With the vinaigrette, you'll be done. This sauce you can put on the top of meat, chicken. You can eat with chips. It's like a pico de gallo. If you can make the day before, the day after is amazing because all the flavor get together. In Brazil, we eat a lot with different foods.
That's very good.
Thank you. Today I'm making shrimp taco, and I put some butter. I'm gonna put some olive oil. You don't need to put the butter if you don't eat butter. I'm gonna put the shrimp. It's a very easy dish, very quick dish. It's like a 1/2 pound shrimp here. I'm gonna put some garlic and salt and pepper. That's it, and my shrimp sauce. You can put different spice, but this is very simple dish I'm making today. This is the way I make it. I'm gonna add pepper flake, a little bit pepper flake. And I'm gonna put some pepper, black pepper. A little bit salt, how much you want. Everybody is different in salt, but how much salt they want to put in the food. And this, when the shrimp start to get pink, is when you're done. It's about 5 minutes to put the shrimp. And this is gonna be my shrimp and taco. Hey! I hope you guys like it. It's a very easy recipe to do.
Well, this table looks so delicious. What did you make?
Shrimp.
Shrimps with garlic and butter and a little bit of olive oil. And here we have guacamole.
Guacamole. And this is
Pica.
Vinaigrette.
Vinaigrette.
Or pico de gallo.
Pica de gallo.
Chips and lime and lettuce and more cilantro.
Okay, so we'll enjoy this definitely. We hope you guys all enjoy it too. Bye.